Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FOLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very solid move. I don't think anybody could really and would really argue against that. But that brings up the question, well, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it all revolves, at least in my mind, a single level. And that level is down here at $6.25. Why is $6.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine momentum, the price is going to progress forward, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $6.25. Any sort of closes below $6.25, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. So to me, is the price making progress, which is, again, what truly strong moves do? Price needs to stay up above $6.25. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up here above the $6.85 mark, that would certainly make the chart look the best going forward. But I'm not calling $6.85 a must hold. So if the price does break below there, by no means am I saying everything's ruined or anything like that, because again, still have $6.25. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at in the upwards direction? So for this, as you can see, having to scrunch up the chart a little bit, which is always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. First level of resistance to keep an eye on, call right up here at about that point, $7.65. And then after $7.65, next key one up there at $7.80. $7.80, you can see he's got quite a bit of distinct price history. Got rejected by the price right there. But one step at a time. Really, at the end of the day, the key thing right now is going through some healthy consolidations. So by no means am I saying the price has to break levels of resistance. Not at all. If the price wants to do some consolidating, build some higher bases, that's going to prove to be the most healthy from the overall perspective. But no doubt about it, today, very nice day. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.